All right, I'm the flat rate master, and caution, this is a rant. It happened to me today twice, and it's something that it just annoys the snot out of me. You know, really grinds my gears. And that is, why is it that people that request tire rotations just got their car detailed and the stupid detailers put about 4 gallons of tire shine on their tires? Why? First, stop using tire shine. It rots tires. It dries out the tires. It dry rots them. In that same vein, most of them that want their tires rotated also have wheel locks. It's like, how much of a pain in the butt can you be? So you're going to slather the tire with tire shine, bring it to me, and I get to deal with your wheel lock. Now we have a lot of wheel lock kits up front, so it's less of an issue for us, but going diving through people's consoles and, trying to figure out where the heck it is sucks. I hate wheel locks. I really hate wheel locks on steel wheels. Yeah, good bit of that. Dealerships really need to stop tacking that crap onto cars. I mean, it sucks to get done with a tire rotation and then have to change gloves because you're slipping out of your tools trying to, put the lug nuts back on. It just sucks. It's stupid. I appreciate the clean car, but do yourself a favor, because you've got a technician in your car. Detail it after we work on it. Then you've got a clean car instead of we have a clean car. And I don't have to deal with your stupid tire shine. I appreciate not getting a nasty car, but detail it after you leave the shop. So as always, hope you enjoyed this rant. Thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.